Hey there, I'm Jamie Smith, and I want to do a quick demonstration of a new add-on that actually is a complement to an existing add-on, and that is the CF Cart Mode Required. If you're using the CF Cart Mode add-on, some people have noticed and would prefer that it not be able to happen, that customers can actually purchase your bump product without purchasing one of the core products if you have a bump, and they'll be able to actually submit the order. So this only happens when you actually have a bump product, and so it's not always the case, and so this code isn't necessarily built into the CF Cart Mode directly, but I created a new add-on that allows you to say that someone has to select something from one of the cart mode dropdowns before they can actually submit the order. Even if they've got a bump selected, they still have to select at least one of your core products before they'll be able to move forward with an order. So for example, I'm going to open this up in a new tab here just to show you a quick example of cart mode without this. And so we've got cart mode here installed. We can, this is what CF Cart Mode does, is allows you to have drop downs for your quantities. And then so you can add multiples of any given item or multiple items. So ClickFunnels doesn't allow this out of the box. You can only pick one thing at a time, or you can pick one thing and a bump. But what Cart Mode does is it allows you to have quantities and be able to select multiple items at the same time, and then also still have your bump. So this is Cart Mode out of the box, but with this, you can actually set these if you wanted to. If your customers were to come in and you have a bump, then the bump is still added to the order, and that will allow them to continue on and actually place the order. So if we were to place this order, I can put in the credit card number here, and just hit, I'll put in just any random CVV. It's in test mode. Then I would be able to go ahead and submit this order. And it will go through, it'll process, it'll take me to an order confirmation page, and it may even have, so it's just got my test bump product on there. So that's what you would get if you have a bump with cart mode. But what we can do is actually add a new add-on, and I'm just gonna drag this code over here real quick. We've got this new code here, and we're just gonna copy all of this, and you'll get this out of the members area. That's probably gonna be just below this video as you're watching it, most likely. But we're gonna grab that code, and I'm gonna copy it. And I'm going to highlight all that code, and I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to go in and I'm going to edit my page real quick. This is my order form page that we were just taking a look at. And all I'm going to do, once this loads up, okay, we've got this loaded up now. We're going to go into settings and then tracking code, and then go into footer codes, and you can see we've got our cart mode installed right here, and got our order summary add-on, the CF order summary add-on installed. You want to use both of those anytime you're using cart mode. You want to use the CF order summary add-on as well. And I'm just going to add a couple new lines, and I'm going to go ahead and paste my CF Cart Mode Required add-on. And now if I save this, and if I go back now, and I'm just going to close this out, and we'll just do another fresh preview. If I do another fresh preview of this order form, now we'll see we get our cart mode, and everything populates there. But let's go ahead and try the same thing we did last time, which is I'm going to check the bump, and I see my bump in my order summary, and that's great. Let's go ahead and now try and paste in our credit card number. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this credit card number here, and we'll just paste that in. We'll try and do our test order just like we just did a few minutes ago. But I don't have anything selected here, but I do have a bump. And now let's go ahead and click complete order. And now when we do that, it pops up and says you must select a product. And I can uncheck the bump, not going to matter. You must select a product. Check the bump. Again, I don't have anything selected, so you must select a product. And so now we can go in, and now let's just pick one of these products. So now I have one of my products selected up here, and click complete order, and now it's going to go ahead and let me process the order, and it'll send me on to the confirmation page. So now we're going to see multiple purchases here because I use the same email address, but that's just standard ClickFunnels functionality. So that is what the CF Cart Mode Required does. Again, all you're going to do is you're going to copy the code from the members area, and you're going to go to settings, tracking code, and then footer code, and then just all the way down at the bottom below your cart mode, below your CF order summary, go all the way down the bottom and just paste in the code for the CF Cart Mode Required there, and it will now check to make sure that they've picked at least one of the products from your core product list, and if not, it'll throw up a message that says you must select a product. So hopefully that comes in useful and handy for you, and I hope you install it and have great luck with it. Thanks again. We'll talk to you soon.